When you start, you should have a blank screen now. I went ahead and I went to File, Open, and I entered into the Student Share Chapter 2, and right away it asks you to open up this DW2_1, and this is what shows up. Now it asks you to go ahead and save the file. This is where we have to be careful that we're putting this file under our asset file. So what I did really quickly is I checked my managed sites. I want to see where I actually saved my striped umbrella to. I can highlight it, edit it. It's called the striped umbrella, but I have it under something called the web design bookwork, and it's striped_umbrella. So this is where I have all of this already saved. I'm going to cancel that, and I'm going to File, Save As. The very first thing I do is change this. A lot of folks are leaving it the same. Make sure you go down and change it to what they want, spa.html. And then I'm going to click on the drop-down arrow and make sure I'm in my own drive. For you, it will be the student ID number, of course. And then it is Web Design Book, Striped Umbrella. And I want this just to be under Striped Umbrella. I'm going to save it. The book again says do not update the links. Click no. I'm going to select the banner. Then it asks you to select the banner. Come down here to the assets page. Because I've already copied the sun banner, the banner image is available. And the SRC text box shows that the link is in the correct folder. So this shows it's in my asset folder. This, however, is not linked. So I need to go into, to fix it, I browse the file icon, and I'm going to find in Mrs. Peacock. So make sure you're back in Mrs. Peacock's asset folder. I'm going to browse for the file itself. I'm going to go back to Chapter 2 Assets, and I'm going to click on, oops, why isn't it there? Nope, I need to go to Staff Share, Peacock, Student Share, sorry, Student Share Peacock. And the assignments for Peacock, Chapter 2 Assets. And it will be SPA. It should say SPA. Did they say Chapter 2 Assets? See SPA logo. Nope, Chapter 1, sorry. Chapter 2 Assets. See SPA logo. Click OK. Now I should have that. It should automatically start going into... Oh, it might take a while for this to update. Our systems are a little bit slow. If I don't see it, I can click on the plus sign. It should show up under the banner, unless, of course, I saved it under here. Oh, it might take a while. It should show up. We might have to click on refresh. Refresh, yep, there it goes. So now we've already finished page 214. We clicked on the plus sign to look what's under assets. I have both of these. Let's go to the next page, 215. What it asks you to do now is that it wants you to click File in the application bar, and it wants you to import. So we have this bar, we have File. It wants us to import. We go down to Import, and then it will ask for a Word document. Okay, so I went to File, Import, I went to Word document, then I went up into Mrs. Peacock's Student Share, Chapter 2, and what comes up is the SPA. Your data files, double click on the SPA doc. This is, so now it might take a little bit, it is importing it. Once you are done